This spicy cucumber salad is like the ones you would get at a Taiwanese or Chinese restaurant like Ding Tai Fung, except healthier. It's so easy to make, uses only 6 simple ingredients and only takes a few minutes to prepare. One serving or a quarter of this recipe is only 50 calories and so flavorful. If you like garlic, spice, and lots of refreshing flavor, this salad is perfect for you. I use Chinese black rice vinegar in this recipe, also known as Chin Kang vinegar. It's made from fermented glutinous rice, while regular rice vinegar is made from fermented rice. Chinese black vinegar is a less acidic and more full-bodied malty taste. Comparing black vinegar and rice vinegar is like comparing brown sugar and white sugar. Same, but different, slightly. You can pick up Chinese black vinegar from the condiment aisle at most Asian grocery stores. For this recipe, you can also substitute black vinegar for rice vinegar if you'd like. I also use pre-minced garlic in this recipe. It's a huge time saver. I use the Lee Kum Kee brand garlic because the Western minced garlic is very strong in acidic base flavor, making it very sour and losing its garlic aroma. I find that this Lee Kum Kee garlic, minced garlic, holds the minced garlic flavor the best. You can also find this from most Asian grocery stores or at the Asian aisle of most grocery stores. This spicy cucumber salad would be a great side to dumplings, noodles, or my 50% less calorie air fryer Taiwanese popcorn chicken, or my 5-ingredient easy air fryer tofu recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.